When in doubt, just blend the crap out of it and see what happens. Hey loves! So today we are going to just kind of play with makeup. I'm going to use some new stuff, some old stuff. Before we jump in, please subscribe if you haven't already. I've got some new subscribers. It's exciting to see my subscriber count slowly moving up, which makes me so excited. So welcome if you are a new subscriber. I'm so happy that you are here. If you are a longtime subscriber or any type of subscriber, I'm happy you are here. I love you guys so much. Just know that. And we're going to get started. We're just going to play. We're just going to play today because that's what sounds fun to me. I hope that's cool with you. I've already primed my face. I just used my usuals, so the Hangover RX, the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion on my lids. I did use this BH Cosmetics primer on my nose area. It's a mattifying primer, so we're going to see how this goes. All right, so the foundation I think I'm going to use today, I think I'm going to try out the Huda Beauty. The Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I have mine in shade Milkshake. A lot of you guys have said that people like this foundation, but then it eventually breaks them out, and I wonder if it's the intense fragrance. I'm a little nervous for that fragrance on my face. I'm just going to use a beauty blender. I think the color looks like it's going to be okay. Like, I want a perfume that smells like this. I don't want to put that perfume on my face, though. If anything, it's a little fair. Wow, that never happens. I feel like this dries really, really fast. It looks pretty nice on the skin though, so that's a good. So these are shadow shields. I'm sure you guys have seen these 1,000 times. I just get mine off of Amazon. You can use tape, you can use whatever you want. I'm weird and I like these, and I'm going to get some of that stickiness off because I always regret it when I don't. And I'm just gonna put this on. So I really want to use this guy, but I don't think I want to go straight in with it. This is the Creepy Cute palette from Strobe Cosmetics. So I'm really excited to use this guy, but I do want it to be, I was going to do something neutral, but I really want to use this. I think we're going to start with Strawberry Milk and just go for it and see what happens. I'm going to pop a little bit of a white concealer on my lids because I really want this to pop. So this is just the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C0 White. Okay, we have brows on. They're not perfect, but it's cool. It's cool. Again, we're just chilling. Okay, let's go back into this Creepy Cute palette and back in with Strawberry Milk. Now there's a little bit lighter of a base. I didn't set it or anything, so let's see how this goes. Okay, and I'm blending it from the outer corner to the inner corner. I'm already in love. Oh, look at this. I love when shadows are pastel but pigmented. I think I want to warm it up a little bit with a little bit of Third Eye. Let's go in with Tombstone, this gray guy right here. And we're going to kind of make that our transition because I want to put some black on this outer corner. I don't want it to be so just like pastel and then black. So let's see. When in doubt, just blend the crap out of it and see what happens. I almost feel like I want to put that purple taking a little more Third Eye and just blending it like on the inner portion. Question, do we want glitter? I always want glitter. I kind of want to use this little beauty right here. I think I'm just gonna kind of tap it on, but let's see. Right here. Just like a little bit of glitter. I'm not good with a matte eye. Like I just need a little bit of sparkle somehow. And you know, this little bit's gonna turn into a lot because that's how I accidentally roll. So I'm just kind of tapping this on. I have realized that these work okay. When you tap them on, you do get a tiny bit of fallout. But if you like really press them, not like really press them in, but like press them in enough, they will mostly stay in place all day. This guy came in my Boxycharm and I really want to try it. So also, if you guys ever want to check out Boxycharm, I'm going to try and use the contour palette that came in it as well. I will leave the link down below. I always like to tap it in the lid, and I'm just gonna go. we're just gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna call that good enough for right now, and I'm gonna peel these off. Ow, slowly. It definitely makes you have like a crisp wing. I'm gonna do concealer and then I'm gonna like blend my edges. I look crazy right now. Revolution Conceal and Define in C0.5. I need to fix this nose area. I like concealer. We've been over this. Let's work on the lower lash line. I'm going to line the lower lash line a little bit with this ColourPop pencil in Swerve. Just a little bit out here. There's a little black on this brush still, so I'm just going to buff that right here. I'll put a little bit of third eye, the orange, just to kind of keep it cohesive. Maybe we'll put on some lashes and then continue on the lower lash line because I'm like being so indecisive. I guess I'll put a little bit of Planchette the purple right over here. That definitely accentuates every little line I have under my eye though. Okay, so I'm gonna do some mascara and I will be right back. Okay, so we have some mascara on. I'm feeling so matte with that foundation. Whoa, I can't wait to warm up my face. I think we're just gonna use these little lashes from AOA Studio. They are the Audreys. I'm gonna pop these on. Be right back. Okay, we're gonna stop here on the eyes for right this moment. I'm almost a little scared to use this. This looks super dark. Oh, it smells good though. This came in my Boxycharm. This is the Pure Sculptor. Kind of smells like chocolate. Is it just me, you guys? But let's try this. We're gonna try, I guess, the lighter shade of the two. This is real dark though, and I'm real fair, so I'm a little nervous, but I am excited too. Oh, it's not overpowering. That's good. Okay. I was worried that if it was like overly pigmented, it would be too much, but I think that this will work. We definitely need some blush. I can tell you that we need some blush up in here. I probably need a little bit of nose contour. Let's get real. I've been enjoying this classic blush palette from BH Cosmetics. I think I want to do this guy today. We're gonna mix these two. This one and this one. I'm gonna use this F9 from ColourPop. Mix those two shades. Really tap it off because we got too much pigment on our faces already. That's gonna help a little bit. I'm gonna look a little less dead. It'll be great. Okay, this is not new. We know I love this, but I want to use it today. I feel like I need to use a highlight that I know I'm going to love. And we're going to start with this one, and then we're going to top it with a little bit of white, I think. Do I not look dead? I think that shade is actually, for once, way too light for me. We're going to dip into this. It's been a while. Sorry, this is like not first impressions. We're kind of just, again, I don't know. We're just playing. Where did that little brush go? Here we go. So we're just going to use Forever Lit, I think, the white, because I really want to brighten it up because I feel so fair. And don't worry, I'll go back with my original brush. Wow, I can't speak. My original brush and blend. We're going to try this guy out. Let's try this guy. This is from Revolution. So it's from iHeart Revolution, which is iHeart Makeup, but now it's iHeart Revolution. So we are going to try this little guy. This is the Nude Liner pen, and you literally just like pop it up. We're going to try it. And we're going to try Alice from BH Cosmetics. All right, love, so I think that is the completed look. I hope you guys like this. It's very soft, so it's not what I expected what I was going to do when I sat down today because I was feeling like a giant dramatic wing. I did still do a big wing, and I was thinking I was going to do even bigger lashes, but I kind of just went with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you want to see in a video next, what kind of makeup tutorial you want to see next. Are you guys ready for another neutral look? I feel like I might be ready for another neutral look. Cause that's what I was ready for today. And then I just like went crazy. But it is very pastel. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could, because it helps me out so much. And please subscribe if you haven't already and hit that little notification bell so you see my videos when they come out. All right. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. I'm thinking it's not. I'm also going to use some of my Boxycharm products. So I'm going to dip into this oh, just kidding. I thought there was a matte highlight. There's not. There's not. Rewind. Oh my gosh. This child needs lovies right now. Oh, you're so cute. Is it her now? In. Wait. They're just Audrey's. They're not in anything. They're just Audrey's. I don't know if there's like a point of return. I went overboard. I'm sorry. Where's my favorite blush brush? Let's find it, please. I just put blush on my chin. If you could not be crazy, that would be wonderful. Why you do this thing? Why are you so crazy? God, she scared the crap out of me. Child, baby girl. What is she doing? Okay, that's my face. Wow.